guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be showing you how to place an order on PostMates. And I'm also going to show you all the different features that PostMates have. So if you've never used it before, stay tuned and keep watching for a full tutorial. But before we get started, if you are a rideshare driver or gig worker and you want to make a little bit of extra money, there's this awesome app called Solo. We have a link down below in the description. If you use that link to sign up and link your gig account, you will actually get sent $15 just for free. So it's definitely a good deal. They have a lot of awesome features for rideshare drivers, like tracking mileage, helping with taxes, guaranteed pay. So definitely check that out. Link in the description. All right, so let's get started with the video. So you want to go to your PostMates app, and at the top you can see that you can choose to either order for delivery or pickup, and then you're gonna put in your address at the top. It's very similar to Uber Eats. If not, it's honestly like pretty much exactly the same. I don't really know like if there's a huge difference between them, but anyways, it'll show you a bunch of restaurants in your area, as well as convenience stores, pharmacies, different things like that. So whatever you need to get, you can find most things on the app. Over here, there's filters if you want to filter out different things you want to see. And then if you want to pick something specific, they have all these different categories for you. So let's say I want something healthy, and I'm just going to pick the first place on here. So yeah, again, you can choose if you want it for delivery or pickup. Then you pick what you want to eat, place your order. You can go to your cart, go to checkout, see if you want to add anything, and then it'll take you to the delivery. So you can either schedule the delivery, pay extra for priority so that it gets to you faster, or just keep it standard. You can meet them at the door or meet them outside, or ask them to leave your food at the door. Then it'll just show you if you want to add a promo code. It'll have a price breakdown. You put in your payment method and then place your order. After you place your order, it's gonna have all these notifications for you, like when they've received your order, when they're preparing your food. And once the driver comes and picks up your food, it'll show you where they are on the map, so you can see exactly how far away they are and how long it's gonna take for you to get your food. So then once they come, they'll usually send you a message or something, and when they leave it at your door, they'll usually knock unless you instruct them not to, or like ring the doorbell, and then they'll just leave. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you have any problems with PostMates, be sure to report it to them. They make it really easy for you to be able to report people if they're being weird, or if your food is stolen or anything like that. So anyways, if you go to your account page, this is exactly the same as what's on Uber and Uber Eats. It'll show you your favorite restaurants. You can mark that down, your wallet, like what credit cards and everything you have in the app to pay, your previous orders, promotions, help, there's rewards, you can send a gift card to someone, and then there's more about the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments if I missed anything or if you have any other questions. I hope this was able to help you if you've never used PostMates before. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.